What I wish I knew before eating that extra hot burrito. The science behind spicy food burps, so you just devoured a plate of spicy wings and now you're belching flames. Here's the deal. Spicy foods contain capsaicin, which irritates your esophagus. As your body tries to cool down, it triggers burping. But wait, there's more. Spices can also relax the lower esophageal sphincter, making it easier for gas to escape. It's like your body's own pressure release valve. And here's a fun fact. Carbonated drinks can make this even worse by adding extra gas to the mix. So next time you reach for that hot sauce, remember you're in for a spicy ride. Stay curious, science buffs.